Hi girls, welcome to my magical art arena. I am Princess Valkyrie, and today we have a super cool, epic fashion mission. Elsa wants to look powerful and beautiful, so we are going to design an amazing Spider-Man princess gown for her. A bright red and blue dress, spiderweb boots, and a cool hero mask. Let's start our creative adventure. Drawing. First, let's sketch the top part. Now, let's draw this huge, fluffy skirt. It has a big, beautiful layer in the middle, and lovely spiderweb ruffles on the bottom. Look at those beautiful curves. And a matching high heel boot. Let's add some fine web details on them. Wow, so strong and fashionable. Every hero princess needs her secret gear. Let's sketch a cool hero mask to protect Elsa's identity. Coloring. Red. Time to splash the hero colors, vibrant red and deep royal blue. Let's paint the mask and boots too. Blue. Gray. Sparkle. Now, let's activate the magical spider sparkle. 1, 2, 3. Look, girls. It's shining so bright with beautiful stars. It looks like real glowing crystals. Dress up. Are you ready for the ultimate transformation, girls? Let's use our princess powers. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness! Look at Elsa! She is wearing the real Spider-Man dress with beautiful, shiny crystals and elegant web patterns. She looks absolutely spectacular and ready to save the day. Elsa is the coolest superhero princess ever. Thank you for drawing and dressing up with me today, girls. Don't miss her next adventure. Click on the next video right now to unlock more fun and sparkly stories on our channel. See you there. Bye-bye.